The American Legal Code Library is a feature-rich municipal code resource that is freely accessible to the public. The Code Library offers a variety of functions for searching, annotating, bookmarking, sharing, automatic update notifications, and printing code that can be accessed through the creation of a free user account. I'm going to walk you through the creation of a My Account on the Code Library so that you can use all the available features. You can enter the Code Library from the amlegal.com homepage. At the top of this page is a link to the Code Library. Click that link. It opens to the American Legal Publishing Code Library homepage, which is organized by state. Creating a user account is fast and free. American Legal does not collect or sell user data. At the top right of the homepage is a login link. Clicking this link takes you to the login window. If you already have a Code Library My Account, you will enter your username and password here. If you don't have an account, click the Sign Up button. To sign up, enter your name, email address, and create a password into the Sign Up window. Confirm your password by entering it a second time. Then click Sign Up. Once you click Sign Up, a verification email will be sent to the address you supplied. To complete your registration, you will need to click on the link in this email. Be sure to check your junk or spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox. The website will notify you that your email address has been successfully verified, and you will be prompted to log in using the credentials that you provided. If you need technical support to use the American Legal Code Library, please call us at 800-445-5588 or email us at techsupport@amlegal.com. Thank you.